Hi everyone, it's Vicki. I'm Vicki Keith. I'm a licensed organ broker and I'd like to invite you to our home tour today. So I'm just giving a couple minutes for people to pop on. When you pop on, say hi, and if you have any questions, you can ask me questions. We're going to get ready to do a virtual open house. So let me just say thank you for coming on the video. I appreciate that. Well, again, my name is Vicki Keith. I'm an licensed organ broker with the Gillott Home Team, Keller Williams Realty, Mid-Willamette Valley. Today, we're going to be touring a home here in Lebanon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch the camera around so you can see your new neighborhood. Hang on. Okay, so here's a scene of the neighborhood. Very quiet, very peaceful, very nice. Hi, Mackenzie. It's nice that you came and visited us for our virtual open house. Look at that view. Isn't that beautiful? The skies are so blue today. I love that. Okay, I'm going to pan around to the front of our house. Look at this. The address is 938 Mazama Avenue in Lebanon. The home, let me tell you a little bit about it. It's approximately 1,188 square feet. Woohoo! Lots of room. It has 2 bathrooms and 2 bedrooms. Very, very nice. Look how nice that is. Okay, are you guys ready? We're going to go inside now. Hang on. So I'll continue to tell you a little bit about this home. The asking price for this home is only $205,000. It's amazing. It's a really good price point for this amazing home. So hang on. Okay, we're not soliciting. We're doing an open house. They know I'm here, and the doggie has went for a walk. So let me open the door. Here we go. Isn't this amazing? Look. You're greeted to a fabulous color scheme in the home. The house is nice and comfortable, feels nice and cozy. Over to my right is the living space area. Lots of room. The floors are amazing, Mackenzie. I know, I saw that. That was the first thing that I saw, and I thought, oh boy, easy cleaning. Love it. Isn't that great? And then just a pan back to the front door that we came in. Very, very pretty. Let me know if I'm going too fast. I'll try to not spin too much. Oh, look, there's a home in a home. We like that. So much fun. Little doggy, Bello. Look at the floors. Okay, then we go to an open concept. Nice open concept dining area. I'm going to get a little bit better vantage point so that you can see the dining area. Oh, and there's another little extra children's kitchen. And look how sweet. And it opens up into this lovely kitchen area. Look at that. Isn't that great? Yeah, I know. Hi, Laura. Thank you for watching. Look at this kitchen. Look at the cabinets. The cabinets are so nice. Very clean, very tidy. The home smells wonderful. Stainless steel appliances. Wow. I bet you anything that refrigerator might even text me. I don't know. Kind of scary these days, y'all. Hi, Erin. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I can go ahead and try to answer them for you. Very, very nice. I know. Hi, Mindy. Thank you for watching. Okay, so guess what? In Oregon, we get some kind of gloomy days, but look, okay, we're going to pan up. Don't be scared. I got you. We're going to pan up. Look, it's a skylight. Look at that. Isn't that great? Brings in all that natural light that we all need in our kitchens so we can have good time cooking. Lots of counter space for food prep. Okay, I'm going to pan around to the sink area. Very beautiful. Nice little view to the outside backyard. Dishwasher. Yes, Dina, yes, this house is super cute. Love it. Okay, so now we're going to go off of the kitchen, down the hallway, and over to the right, there is an extra little, vanity. You could have your own little home office over here. Isn't that great? Lots of space. Does not feel confining at all. Large hallway. Hi, Sherry. Ask me questions if you guys have any questions. I'll try to answer them for you. Here's the first bathroom. Nice bathroom. The vanity. Very pretty. Love the color scheme. We're going to come in a little. Okay. I don't think that comes with the house, but it's extra nice to have that for the little kiddos. And then a full tub shower. Let me see. Dun, dun, dun. I think kids live here. Very, very nice. Okay, we're going to pan out of the bathroom. Hi, Sherry. Yes. Oh, look. Laundry room. We like laundry rooms in the house. We can get to them very quickly. Fold up the clothes when they're nice and warm. Makes us all feel nice and cozy. Okay, off of the laundry room is access to the backyard. So the owner has taken his doggie for a walk. Let's make sure. Okay, no doggie. Alrighty. Look at this lovely porch area. And it's covered. Isn't that great? So hang on. We're going to go down a couple steps. Pavers. Or at least they look like pavers. Very nice. Look at this backyard. Fully fenced. So you can bring your dogs, children, and no worries that they're going to, get out or get hurt. I know. It's just lovely. And look, double car garage. Yay, we like garages. Okay, we're going to go back inside. I know, Mindy, I love the tree. The tree was just fabulous. I know, I don't think the swing will fit me, but I don't think I'm going to try. So we're going to go back inside the home. Oh, wait a second. I got to shut the door. Hang on. Alrighty. So we're back inside. Ooh, safety first. Okay. So we're going to head back into the kitchen area. Now the backyard, or the yard itself, has underground sprinklers, which is fantastic. And there's room on the side of the home for an RV parking. Okay, so now we're going to go back into the living room area, and we're going to go down this beautiful hallway. Whoops, stepped on the dog. on the dog blanket. Look at that lighting. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. Okay, coming down the hallway. Very nice. And off to the right here is actually an access door to the bathroom that we were in. They're using it as space for, it looks like shoes. Yeah, those are shoes. Nice covered vanity on the outside here for extra storage. Now we're going to go into the first bedroom to the left when you're going down the hall. And I'm going to take a guess that this is the kiddos' room. Look how lovely this is. And it's a nice large room too. A little bunny on the bed. Carpet. Very nice. Very, very pretty. I'm going to come into the room and pan over to the side. And then, dun, 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 we have closets. Love it. If you guys have questions or if you want me to go over anything else, just let me know while we're here. And then I'll just slowly walk around. Very, very nice. I love this. Feels very spacious, very warm and inviting home. Oh my goodness. So now we're going to go out and we're going to go into this big master bedroom. Okay, y'all, look at that. That's a king-size bed. And there's tons of room on each side of it. Look at this. Isn't this fantastic? Wow, this home is going to make a fantastic next home for someone. Isn't this great? If you just popped on, go ahead and say hi. Let me know if you have questions. Carpeting feels really plush and squishy. Alrighty. So over to the side is the master walk-in. So we'll go ahead and walk in. Hi, Katie. Thank you for watching. Oh, we found the mother lode, people. Alrighty. It's a walk-in closet. I love that. I don't think the owner's going to share their combination, so don't ask for that. Okay, we're going to back out now. All right, so now we're going to go into the ensuite, right directly off of the bedroom. Holy cats, look how big this room is. This bathroom is spacious. I love that. Look at the floors. The floors are super nice. Lots of cupboard space. Great lighting. Boy, I could really put my makeup on in this area. Very nice. Easy access to the shower. Ooh, it has a raindrop head on there. Oh, I like that. So fun. Okay, we're going to spin around. Be very careful. I like that. Okay. Isn't this great? Okay, we're going to head back in to the living space area and give you another look at this beautiful home. And if you have any questions, you can let me know. I can answer them. Or if you want to see something again, I can do that as well. Very nice. We're going to head over into this lovely kitchen area again. And then I'll switch the phone around so we can have a conversation. Okay, hang on, guys. Hi! We made it. Isn't that great? We love helping our clients show their home in the best way that we can, especially in a time like today where we need to be very cautious. And so we're really grateful to be able to show the homes. If you're interested and you're one of our clients and would love to have a virtual open house, we're really want to do that for you. It would be our pleasure. Also, if you have any questions, you can contact our office. It's the Gillott Home Team, Keller Williams Realty, Mid-Willamette Valley. Our phone number is 541-451-2211. You can call and ask questions or even schedule a viewing. If you want to schedule a private viewing of a home, we can do that remotely. Not a problem. We always ask the listing agent if an owner is open to that. So thank you again for coming and touring the home with me. It was lovely. I really enjoyed it. Call us if you have any questions, and if you want to make an offer on this beautiful home, don't hesitate. Give us a call. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye.